What's up? In Hong Kong, about to get some breakfast. Yeah. We like frogs. We like frog. We, frog very good. So, yeah, very healthy frog. Oh yeah, eat frog. So we're gonna have breakfast. Yeah, from New York. We eat frogs. So, so we're in Hong Kong. A lot of frogs for breakfast. You know, you just pick anyone you want and you just cook it. Well, so we have so much. It's like a breakfast buffet today. So we could have. What is this? This is. Oh, turtles. You can have turtles. What is this?
How long? Here. With 2 days. We're leaving today. 2 days.
So can I take frog back to New York on an airplane? So.
I don't know say English.
So either we can have frog for breakfast.
Because I don't know say English. Please teach me. Okay? I say Chinese.
Sumisan. So we can have frog for breakfast, or what is this?
That's the guy.
What is this? Fish? Oh my god! Oh my god! There's this fish. Yeah, bouncing fish. Moving frogs for breakfast. And turtles. Bye bye. Turtles. Hi.
開心啊嘛係，你俾白馬碌冇開心啊！唔好影我啦，因為係咪呢杯啊？撈杯啊！
Good. I love Hong Kong. Thank you.
喂，香港邊杯喎？
Hong Kong good. Hong Kong good. Hong Kong good. What in the world is this? Pig. It's pig. Oh wow. Oh wow. Where in the world am I? Oh my god. So that's breakfast. Hong Kong. We get frogs, turtles, whatever you want. They got it all here. Hong Kong breakfast buffet. Good stuff. Good stuff. Out of the way. Good stuff. In the market. A lot of nice clothes, good breakfast. This is Hong Kong, everyone. Damn, that turtle looked really good. That frog looks good. Look at this, nice couch. Nice couch with a hole in the middle. Good deal. They got a good deal here in Hong Kong. So this is like a big market. High-end Burberry, Louis Vuitton, Gucci. High-end turtles and frogs. Good food, just they catch the animals and they just rip it apart, cut it up. All kinds of animals, all kinds of breakfast items. Oh yeah, yummy. Good stuff, yummy. So we're going to market, running, walking. Oh my god. What is that? What in the world is this? Do you see that? That's oh wow. Good stuff. So Hong Kong market. Lots of stuff, lots of yummy food, shoes. Alright, so that's what we do in the morning. Get our frogs and turtles, get our protein in, so good stuff. So talk to you guys later. Hong Kong.